Yeah, this is POP installation. Installation here in Lagos, Nigeria. You can see this is perfect installation from Adrenaline James. We have a nice design in this building. We have a nice design, simple design in this building for this bedroom. As you can see, this is hotel. We have simple design, electric design in this building. You can contact us on 08063098718. You see, this is another design. You can see work is in progress here in Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. Work is in progress. So you can contact us on 08063098718. Contact us or WhatsApp us on that number 08063098718. See, this is another beautiful design here. There's another beautiful design here. There's another beautiful and simple design for this small bedroom. You can see, very simple design, electric design. Renovation is in progress. You can see. Contact us once again on 08063098718.